Welcome to our tutorial on the hole wizard. First, let's right-click and suppress the hole and linear pattern features. Now let's go to Assembly Features and select the hole wizard. Now we're going to position our hole. Let's select the Position tab. We'll position the hole on top of this face. As you see, we're in 3D sketch mode. I'm not going to apply dimensions at this point. Let's go back to the Type tab. Under Hole Type, we'll leave Simple in place. Standard and Type, let's leave at default parameters. Under Hole Specifications, I'm going to use Show Custom Size. The diameter will be 0.2 inches. Under End Condition, let's choose Through All. This is in order to affect both the seal and the lid. In the Feature Scope Control area, we can choose all components or we can select our own components. Let's choose Select Our Own Components and uncheck Auto Select. We will select the seal and the lid. Now we're ready to click OK. Our hole wizard feature appears in the specification tree. Let's expand this branch. We've got two sketches here. The two-dimensional sketch represents the profile of the hole. You can see when I mouse over it. The 3D sketch is responsible for the positioning of the hole. Let's right-click and edit the three-dimensional sketch. Use the Dimension tool and let's dimension it. Let's enter a value of 0.4 inches. Let's apply a second dimension, also 0.4 inches. Click OK. And let's exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial on the hole wizard.